What time? Set
Now,
time or
sir.
whenever?
Now.
Huh?
Now,
Oh,
present. Yes.
like and subscribe.
We are live there.
Everything we marked out on Fartcoin played out exactly on a 1 hour.
Yes, everything was correct. Yeah. Good
Yeah.
morning, everyone. We have some token to trade this week. Okay, especially, I, I have the list here. So we have these three token: Mo USDT, and what is this?
Monka.
Mocha USDT, Zen USDT. So we have super narrow weekly, and apart from that, we'll try ARC AI16 and Popcat. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. So first, we'll discuss ARC USDT from here. Let's start from no. Still, I didn't analyze this chart. We'll start from ARC USDT. Okay. So, sir, you can see this. We have liquidity at this place. Okay. So what happens when the market will grab liquidity? Candle should close. When the candle should close. If it just sweep the next candle, see, we have to see where the candle is closing. The candle is closing just above this and or inside this liquidity line. Next candle it will sweep and candle will come down. So candle should close above this, and candle should be with a low volume. So yesterday it was that. There is a reason. Once again it came and market went this way. You can see on the 5 minutes. So market gave a fall here. It didn't made any low after coming down straightly at this place. It was inside the candle. It was inside the candle. It will be challenging to find the setup. Internal. So the last week I was talking about the internal, right? So now the range is very big here. So now how to take the trade? So internal structure, sir. So what you have to do, we have to wait for the change of character. So again, okay, just so we have break of structure, change of character. Clearly internal. The market didn't come for retracement. So it was challenging. After practice, you will come to know how to take the trades here. Because here, what happens if you see the range, big range like this here. So usually when you mark your fib level from top to bottom, maybe you will get entries here. Maybe not. I think so. It is 50%. Neckline and all, you will get rejection. But if you know the like see liquidities, you will come to know like yeah, I can plan the trade without sweeping if the market is going up. Okay, so you should be sure that yeah, anytime market can come before we make a new high. This and because of weekend, I didn't look at this chart. I was finding on the pop cap. Okay, and yesterday, Tobit, Tobit sir, you asked on H4. I was looking at short positions H1 on 1 hour. This change of character on 1 hour. So I was looking at short positions from this level, and why he was looking a long positions, right? See the overall trend. First, you have to see overall trends are here. It's super bullish on 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we got the change of character and break of structure. Everything is perfect here and bullish flag. So here it was a bullish flag on 1 hour and so 4 hours. Sorry, it was bullish flag here. That is one reason. And the 5 minutes here. See on this day, what I'm seeing on the intraday, like I told this right earlier, I'll check for intraday what's happening, whether is it bullish or bearish. Here, the structure was, it's very clear at this place. So market dropped from this place, correct? Now made a lower high, which is breakout. And the market trend is bullish. So best we should wait for the retracement. So retracement, and this is how it works. So here, after taking the break even, everything from the same place, it sweep the liquidity. Once again, today it started moving at, like, which is my time, 7 here. And this was the liquidity, sir, both. And you can see this at this place. I was expecting here. It sweep, sorry, it sweep, it came down. Once again, it sweep now, it's coming down. That is the reason yesterday I was on the YouTube live. So I was waiting for the entry from this place, and especially why this entry here, fifth level, if you mark the fifth level from bottom to the top, our entry zone, sir. So here we don't have any candlestick pattern. We have dragonfly doji, and yesterday I do. If I see any dragonfly doji, this we should not see any wicks here. Unfortunately, it was a wick, but yes, you can take the small trade. We should reduce our trade size. You can enter here. Our trade starts from here. Stop loss below this zone. And target is recent high. First target. If you want to take the target, you can take the target. Or else use the break even. Nobody will expect that market will come once again. Always positive. What I can expect here is maybe market can retrace from this level because this is a strong breakout, which is this one. And maybe this. Better this will be, we have good swing at this place. So this is the breakout. So if the market is coming for the retest, this is the best area to make a new high. And once again, market came down here. It took all the liquidities. Then they made a new high. Correct. So now on 1 hour, okay. So we have liquidity here. So we need a new entry at this place. So just wait to tap this area. But immediately don't jump. We'll wait for the US session. So we'll try the long position from here. Target is boom. 4700. See, guys. So now from now you are going to learn real trading. Everyone understood uh, structures, right? Market structures. So I'll make you practice. So you will all, like, you will be seeing all the things what I'll teach from now. The liquidity, after grabbing the liquidity, how the market will react. So why these are important. And Jasmine USDT. 1 second. I want to show that. Yon sir.
Yes, mate.
Okay, you are in this trade, right?
Yes, mate.
Okay. So what is this, sir? What pattern is this?
Inverts, head and shoulders.
Correct. Why the market should come at from this place? What is the reason here?
Break a block.
Correct, sir. So just wait, sir. Just wait to come this place. We cannot enter here. Just wait. If the market is not coming here, we'll go on the New York session. We'll find the setup. We'll find where is the nearest liquidity. We'll wait for there to come on the 5 minutes. We'll find the trade setup. So here, just wait to tap this, sir. From here, we'll grab this liquidity. So, however, we have the big targets, even this place. And I want to show on the daily time frame, sir. Not the Jasmine. Sorry. Not the Jasmine. One more setup. 1 second. Here we have evening star is going for test. So on the Popcat. Not Popcat. Uh, uh, 1 second. I'll just check. AI 16. Sir, AI 16, we have super narrow, okay? And you can see though now the market is trying to enter in this area. It should break this level. So what I see here, maybe once again market can retrace from this place here. Okay, so on AI 16, so we have the breakout at this place and here, right? To take this one which is hidden. Okay, we'll mark here. So we have the hidden breakout at this place. All right. So now we see still we have 15 hours to close this candle. If any candle closed above this with the less volume, then we can find the entry because the volume is also very important at this place. So till now the volume is very low, very nice. We need good breakout here. Okay. If any candle closed above this, just we'll wait for the retracement. We'll take the trade. So our target will be first target will be this, second will be this here. These are the liquidities. Okay, why I'm showing this? We'll go to the PopCat. So do you remember during when we started our group here? You remember these drawings, right? Like I told, we have the bearish flag. Our entry will be from this area. Market made bullish signal, fans started moving up. And here it was the liquidity. So now, according to these tokens, market on the daily time frame, we got the structure shift. We should wait for the entry. So that is the reason I am always used to tell hold 20%. Now we don't know whether is it taking our stop loss or what, but yes, we should wait. What to do then? Our QHD took the break even and it started moving. So now here short form W pattern. Okay, just wait. When it comes here, we'll go to the on 5 minutes, we'll find the trade. This target is also very big, guys. So the first target will be the recent high, which is this. We'll use break even. We'll try to capture big trades on the H4. So we have, you can see this. So we have target this here also at this place also we have. And on H4 we have the bullish flag. Let's find the trade. So what we have to do on 5 minutes. So now grab the liquidity, maybe market can retrace 1 hour clear direction. The entries at this place, hidden breakout. We'll just wait, let it come at this place. New session. So from here again we'll find the new setup. Okay, for every trade, like who all yesterday was holding, I don't know who took the trade. See why I used to tell we should wait for the 20%. See, this is the reason now on the PopCat. So from last 1 week, we are finding the setup. Okay. See, now we took our first trade from this area. You remember, right? We took the trade from here. I told this breakout W pattern now trade. So now if I'm holding 20%, okay, 10% or 20%. Just see from this place, market went 51%. Still I am in trade with the break even. If the market comes and hit the break even, it's okay. But what do you do if it makes a new high from here? This place. So now I'm telling you the market can make a new high. So if this is my entry, if the market moves 100% from here, if it never comes this like for next 1 year here, what will do? So our entry will be amazing, right? This is the swing trades. So for now, at least hold 10 to 15, 20% for every trade. Wait for the break even. Nothing is going to happen, but you're going to learn so many things. You will come to know all the things. See, here, if you want to book the profit, how I'll book the profit if the confirm that market is going to come down. If the market comes inside this zone, done. There are chances market will come down because after this we don't have new high. I'll just show you how it works. So if I'm taking any trade, okay, if I'm taking any trade from this place, so now I'll wish that market should make a new high. So now my entry is from this area, all right. So my entry is from this area, and I'm holding here just through this, and this is our recent breakout. And I wish that market should create a new high. What is new high? So here my entry high, new high. Then I have that confidence. Okay, now market maybe won't come at my entry now. So at this place we don't have new high, directly it break and it came down. When I see new high, so now my stop loss, if I want to trail my stop loss, I'll keep my stop loss at this place below this. Because now we have one more breakout at this place. So high chances are there market will be bullish for some time. So market will be bullish. If any candle come and close below this, then done. This structure got shift here at this, then I'll book my profit. If I want to book the profit, I'll book it. But see, it doesn't mean that I wasted this much profit. It won't work like that. Sometimes you have to sacrifice that. Who knows, after taking the support, again, it can make a new high. 20%, don't be that greedy to always don't think where should I close that. Try to hold because you are going to learn there. You will come to know what candles are happening, how market will reverse if it comes down. Here, yesterday, it was same reason here at this place. So market after the breakout, it didn't made a new high. See, if the market came here, if it made a new high, then this entry was safe. So market was creating a new high. But here directly market closed inside the area and started coming down. Here sweep the liquidity. But we can enter one more trade at this place. We can find another trade here. If we have that knowledge, just after taking the break even, we have to see whether the market is going down. No. If the market is shifting, then yes, again I'll enter somehow.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask you, Pramod, because like you say, it's making lower highs here, and then you get the structure shift there,
Yes,
but it doesn't come back, does it? So you probably one that you potentially miss unless you go after net
correct,
long. Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
Yes. So I'll be seeing that probability which I'll get searching now here in this case. I told right every trade setup will be different. So
Yeah,
here this is
yeah.
the reason the market is very close, but the market is not breaking the low. Maybe I'll enter here itself, sir. What to do? I'll enter here because if the market comes inside this zone, then this setup will fail. At least I have that stop loss area I can keep here. Again, target is this one. So these are mitigated now. I don't see this high. So
Hmm.
I'll see the liquidity. Okay, we have here at least my first target will be this high now. So if I enter here, my first target, second target, again I'll hold. We
Is
need
that what
the
it's doing is that what it's doing at the moment? If you zoom into the current, but in reverse, so
Mhm.
so is it like making a bit of a channel like that, and
That
it's
is
broken through
yes,
retest and maybe come
yes,
down?
come down, correct. So till here we have to see how it will react at this place.
Yeah.
We have to see how it works here. If the liquidity is sweep, then I'll find one more trade. We mark one trend line. We try to find the setup on the 5 minutes. This place. If you have any question, ask me, sir. If you have any trade setup, tell me. I'll analyze those charts. Okay. Check it.
Yeah, no, I was going to short it, but I just thought it's going against trend. It's a little bit risky. Just be patient and wait for it to come down here.
Yeah, sir. You was telling something.
No, I was saying I was looking at shorting it, but where the market's quite bullish, it's a bit risky. So I'll wait for it to come down
Yeah,
here.
sir. Don't
Down
try the
here.
short positions. Just
I
wait to
know,
come
I
at
know.
this place.
I always think if it goes up, it's got to come back down, but sometimes it doesn't work like it doesn't work like that. So when it gets up to here, I'm thinking, right, it's going to retrace back to this order block or sweep here. So I'll try and catch it both ways, but I just need to be patient. Just
Yes,
wait.
yes. You can try the short positions. It's not a problem. That's small trade. Uh, you should manage the accounts. If you know that, then yes, you can try it. I'll see the momentum, sir. Like I'll see the wave, how much market are travel. So if there is a big one, then I'll try. So here the new journey has started. If the like we was discussing about the ARC USDT or Powercat. So market already travel 22%, then it doesn't make any sense to look long positions now. We was discussing,
Would
you
you say
remember?
that?
Huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But
Yeah,
when you
this
say
is
that's big, that's a big leg. So essentially,
yes, retracement.
that's got to come down as well.
Yes.
Yeah.
And once again, yes. So I posted this and see what I was I want to explain here. They gave correct answer. So before the market started moving up, did the liquidity sweep here? No. We need a proper candle at bottom. Correct?
In this situation, though, it's swept the internal liquidity, hasn't it? So it's taken this section. But
Yes.
but you've got to
Yes.
what to be safe, take that, or would you, after seeing that sweep, would you take it based on this candle
No, that
or
is
not?
safe. That is safe, sir. This is internal. It took and went. That is safe. We should see again. You should be ready for the break even or stop loss. If it comes down, I am going to enter once again.
Yeah.
Yeah, but yes, you that we can take. And I told you right, we don't know which liquidity it will take and it will start moving. The only reason we should wait at this place, we have order block at this place. Now market
Yeah.
with the liquidity, maybe after 2 hours, once again the market will come and make a new high. So maybe it will come tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This area is very important now. So just use the alert, let it come at this place, sir. And uh, okay, we have the weekly CPR here. Just let it come at this place, sir. The reason is again, once again, sir, you can see the targets are very big, sir. We should be can get the big targets. We should wait here. You can see the liquidity. 143%, 75%. First target is 75%. see, see now it's all mitigated here, correct? It's all gone now. So the first one is here, sir. On the 4 hours. Okay, on the 4 hours, sir. You can see at this place. Current market from this place. 60%. Second one, 120%. So directly don't go. We'll wait for the retest. So I think this will be the best area, sir.
It seems to be following a nice trend line as well.
From where, sir? From the bottom.
Yeah, a little bit further up.
You can draw, sir. Let's draw. Let's.
From
Yeah.
from
We ordered
1343 ish.
This.
Yeah.
You've got a golden zone there as well on
Yeah.
that order book.
On Dragon Doji, sir. Strong momentum candle. Breakout with the high volume. No, just we'll wait this place. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, sir. Because before making a new high, the market usually it comes, for example, here. So we feel that we missed the entry, right? Like see here at this place, market is going up. So they'll come, they'll pick the orders, then they'll start moving. The same thing. Now we feel that, oh, market, we missed the opportunity. But I don't see that. The only fundamental can push here now. Within 2-3 candles, it may go. But if market become like now, you can see we are getting high volumes. Should not get high volumes when the market will be moving up. The sign of that, people will start taking the profits. If we are getting high volumes while going. So just wait, sir. Let it come at this place. Then we'll catch here. So then we can say new high, new liquidity.
Pramod,
Yeah, sir.
when it comes to the breaker block, if you go onto the 5 minute, yeah, on that I-60, yeah, when it retraces and it comes to the breaker block in that area, you've got quite a few fair value gaps. Will you not just keep an eye on that in case it reacts there and actually goes from there, right?
Yes, let's see 1 second, sir. Right. 1 second, let this see. Oh, it's not working. 1 second. Okay, finally got it done. See, for 5 minutes, it's not coming in with. Okay. Oh, okay. So finally, where, sir? Where? Which? This
You
place?
see, where you've had these breakouts here, yeah. So your breaker blocks there, and you've got another one. So you've got one breaker block there, yes,
Correct.
and you've got another one there,
Yes,
and you've
we have
also
fair
got
value gap.
you've also got fair value gaps.
Correct.
So when it comes back down here, will you not make sure that you look at that first to make sure you don't get the reaction there? Because if you get the reaction there, it can, because it's so bullish, it can go from there as well, right?
Correct, sir. Now, how can you see here? See, if the market is coming down, assume now, sir. So it came to your breaker block.
Yeah.
Your target will be this. Then they'll go like this. So when you have a confirmation on 1 hour, 5 minutes sometimes it won't work. Yes, you can take the trade on the 5 minutes. So according to the 5 minutes, you have breaker block and FVG at the same place, almost the same place. So we have FVG at here. So now the challenge is when you take the trade, the candle should close above your neckline, which is new market created new.
Yeah.
If you take
And
this
only if it closes
resistance,
above that, it will go then, right?
yes. If it candle close above this with the less volume, then market can make a new high. If it is ultra high volume, then the market will fall. It will come to the 1 hour liquidity zone, sir.
Yes, mate.
Because the 1 hour it's very strong compared to 5 minutes now. 1 second, sir. Shift my internet. Yes, I changed that.
Bad internet.
No, sir, I have 3 internets at home. 3 different companies, 3 different internets. Sir, see, on 1 hour, we have strong liquidity at this area, correct?
Yes, of course.
So now, anytime, sir, not today, maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, they'll come very slow. Like as you said, this is the order block. They'll go up once again. If they comes, this will work amazing now. So we have order block, equal high, equal lows at this place. So fits done. We can find the trade setup according to the 1 hour. So see that if the market goes till here, okay, after 4 days, immediately they'll drop. We don't understand why the market is coming down. They'll pick this one, then they'll make a new high. So we should keep this. We should be watching all the time this.
Yeah.
But yes, the 5 minutes, what you said, that is correct, sir.
Mm-hmm.
The only challenge is this candle should close above the neckline here at this place.
Yeah.
If the candle comes and close below this, that so that will be clear. They'll hit this.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, here. This is trend line. They'll here.
Yeah.
We are getting a divergence of this close. Correct.
This was a really good question.
Correct. So don't take
This is why I was stop loss hit during one of my trades in the weekend.
Yes. That day.
Thank you, Johan. This question was brilliant.
Which one, sir? You was asked one question. The Brett sir gave very good answer.
Actually, we analyzed it already, and now considering this scenario, I already have my answer.
Okay.
Basically, it wasn't I jumped in your first signal. It wasn't a bad trade, and actually it was a very little stop loss. But I didn't realize that we have a much more bigger liquidity below.
Yeah, which
And
token
the
was
others,
that?
I think it was ARC, and the others was catching lower.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
it was
I had to go to running competition, so I couldn't follow. Yeah.
But Pramod, the ARC one, that was on the liquidity sweep on the Asian session. Remember you showed us on a Friday?
Yes.
And then I took that trade Saturday morning. And then that's the one Dave's talking about.
Yeah.
Yes. This here, sir, this place at this. I remember.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
That was on Saturday, sir. Yeah. This and yes. I'll explain this one, sir. So when I saw this chart, sir, first thing the market has started from this place, correct? You can see. So when the market started from this place, I saw this momentum, like we have the crazy move. Like just now, Jon said, right? Like he said, see, when we have super bullish market, we cannot expect market will come this. Like he said, right? We cannot expect directly. We'll find the setup nearest area. So now in this area, so what I did, like this was the daily super narrow, sir. It was narrow. I thought like, yeah, we should find it right here. I jump into the 3 minutes. Okay, on Saturday, I'll go to the 3 minutes now. 3 minutes, we have a candle at this place. Okay, so here, the nearest support, which is this. So on after 3 minutes, and we have even here FEG. So first, what I did, first I marked this as a your order block. We'll go to the 5 minutes. Saturday, this. Here, this order block. So when the market started coming inside, I just deleted one more image. I sent that we have FEG here. So this can be a good trade setup. We should find at this place.
Yeah, that's what I tried. Yeah.
Yeah, and here we got a bullish shingle with like you can see the candle. I said yes. Now this is the best trade setup. Maybe it will break this area. So again, once again, it came at this place. You said you took the stop loss, and it came to the daily CPR. It sweep the liquidity exactly what Jon sir explained on that day. So here was this right, sir?
Yeah, that's it. That was the Asia low.
Yeah, this was the Asia low, sir, and you can see this here at this place, double doji morning star. Okay, double doji morning star, and we have one which we have one first area, and second we have at the same place, which is our entry. Stop loss is below that a daily CPR or this candle, and target was same. Like exactly we are discussing now about the AI16, sir, on the daily 1 hour time frame. So now I was trying here. Okay, and I was trying here, like what on our curiosity. So market came at this plane and it went.
Yeah.
So you should be ready, sir. You should be ready then.
That's why I say I understand now.
Okay, but here the market went like what went very nice. And second trade I gave. Do you say this? I said it will retest this area, sir. You can find one more setup.
Yeah.
Whether it will come or not, let's see. On the 5 minutes. I forgot. So I just, yes, it was that order block. Correct, sir. Okay, you took the HM, he took, right? Yes, he took based on hammer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right. So I remember this, sir. So this was the entry point. Okay, we have ultra high volume candle at this place, and here it was order block. And I said, you just take the trade here and just They took this liquidity, and again, always whenever I take personal trades, I'll be in positive. Oh, this time it will going to break. But always it will be the same. It came and
Yeah.
again it hit itself.
What do you think about the target based on the wicks? Should it be the first target if you want to take some profits? Would it be this one, like the correct one?
Sorry. Sure. Which one? Sorry.
So I'm just wondering, like, would it be this wick or this wick, or what do you think? What is the kind of the best
Sir, if you see
first target?
too many rejection, you just take the full wick, sir. Whatever you are seeing, right here bottom.
Yeah.
You take full wick. That if you can enter inside, you just close it.
Okay.
Because we need.
And
yeah.
Is it because you see like there's a strong rejection zone? You see so many wicks, so that's why it's a strong zone for it to actually potentially reverse. So it needs huge momentum to break that.
Correct, sir. Because of that, we have a lot of rejections here. It's not so easy to break this. If this level breaks with a low candle, I'll find one more entry here, sir. But that is the only reason, correct, sir. It was too many candles here, but yes, again, it took rejection.
Yeah, I've seen like when you only have 1 week, it's usually very, very easy to break. So you see it immediately making a new high, but in this case, strong rejection zone.
Yes, correct, sir. But once again, it created a pattern, then it made a high, low, all that nonsense. Finally, it started going up now.
Rod, you see where the market started from here? Yeah. Is that not a point of interest from here?
No, sir. That is not a point of interest. The market is inside this area, sir. So now if you say this is the point of interest, I can say that here, this is point of interest.
Right.
This is inside, sir. Don't take this as a point of interest.
Okay.
What do you think, by the way, about kind of this way? So let's say that you see that the internal. Oh, wait a second. So internal structure shifted here. So could you take your fib from here to here and then enter in here?
Sir,
Would that be an
as soon as I started this session, I discussed the same thing, sir. I said this is internal. You can find the long positions. Yeah, you can take the trades. Yes. So now see, you have to search the patterns, sir. Always. So if you don't find the patterns, then you can use the fib level. So when the candles are very close and the market is not at all moving high and low, use the parallel channel. Parallel channel, why it's important here? So there is no new low, there is no new high. Very close, the market is very close. So in this case, this is the best area, sir. Just wait for the breakout, can enter immediately or wait for retest. That's
brilliant.
Yes, sir. You don't use all the time triangle. The market should be a sideways nearby, like not this kind of sideways, sir. So this kind of sideways. So then market, I want to take the long position, just wait for this breakout, retest, then you can take the trade. This is the one. Because there is
Thank you very much.
No problem. There is no new low here, sir. See, market created one low. And this, we cannot expect too much a big move because this is internal.
But in the past, Pramod, with the size of that wick, have you not said before, ignore that wick because it's so big?
Yes. This one. Ignore, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, correct.
That's still a low, though. That's still the low, though, Sam. That's what he says. But also that's a falling wedge as well, this one, Pramod.
Correct, sir. Falling wedge.
Yeah.
So when high, low, sir, see, when we mark the structure, we ignore. But the low is this, right? When this is when we have confirmed high and we should take this as the low now. So
but
we'll wait for
just don't mark it out with the structure. Is that what you're saying? Because it's too big.
Yes, that is too big. And see, 5 minutes when the 1 hour structure is clear uptrend, why you want to mark the change of candle breakout structure? So that is what I want to teach you now. By just seeing in the 5 minutes, done. No one should use any indicator, guys. Okay. So if I see indicator, we are collecting the fine. One indicator, how much, sir? How much will collect fine for one indicator? If I see 15 indicators, then it will be more fine. Yeah. We have all this narrow. Where is flag? Evening star. Oh, it should find the short position in this now. Where is flag? Evening star on the daily time frame. Target. Then
So what are we learning? What are we learning today then? Liquidity, yeah?
what is liquidity, sir? I don't know.
No, I don't know either.
Or liquidity, nothing, sir. Done. Now, if I say that, your answer is he'll take his truck and he'll come here. Sir, how was your weekend, sir? You supposed to go cinema. Which cinema you watched?
Yeah, we went cinema and we went. I took them bowling. It was all good, mate. Very good. She was very happy.
Okay.
What film was it?
King of Kings.
King of Kings.
The children's animated one, mate.
I bet you loved it.
I slept half of it. Beautiful. It's nothing like a cinema snooze, mate. Alice was chucking popcorn at me while I was sneezing, bro.
Oh, nice. Yeah, and 5 minutes. Okay, five. I'll show you that also, sir. We'll learn liquidity today, and so when everyone are ready, how I'll show you how to see. We should understand the structure on the higher time frame, sir. So then only you are going to catch the big trades. So you will come to know where is, the way the market is going. Now, if there is any, see, if I say that, okay, market turned to bullish, we'll find this setup. Now, what I say you, so this is the liquidity here, the market can go this place. Looks like a funny, but after 14 days, you are going to see the market will be here. Now, within 2 candles, it won't go, sir. It will make all the structures, it will come down, it will be sideways, but the target is this. So now after this grabbing the liquidity, so market can come till here also. So now we'll find the long positions. Now the target is this. So I'll show this on 1 hour how to find the setup. And it works amazing. So when you start drawing on the higher time frames, you will come to know how these are going to work. We learn that. Wow,
Perfect.
yes. And just to see. So from where you are holding, sir? Yon, sir?
1-4. Here.
Very nice. Now you are the next producer of King of King Part 2. Just wait here, sir. We'll find one more trade, okay, at this place. If it's not coming here, we'll go to the 5 minutes. Somehow we'll find the setup here. It's taking rejection. Let's see the volume. Shooting star, 10 minutes. Still candle should. Don't take any short positions, guys, okay? Don't believe this. So what you do next candle if you see big bullish signal? If it's coming
It was
here, then
Pramod's
only we are.
fault.
Huh?
I said it was Pramod's fault. He said shooting star.
Yeah, everybody okay. Now we'll find this setup. No, sir, wait, let it come at this place. We'll find the long positions. Okay, if it maybe it will take a New York session today. maybe it start flying New York or tomorrow is the session. The target
If there
again.
would be huge,
Yes,
if there
sir.
would be huge volume right
Yes.
now, then it would be a safe short, right?
Yes, sir. That's
But now it seems that there's not that much volume, or at least I don't know.
You want low volume, don't you? If it's for it to move,
For a
'cause otherwise
breakout.
it might be
For a breakout, we need low volume.
But for a fake out, I want big volume
To take the short
to
positions.
take a short. Yeah.
Correct.
okay.
Yeah, because if you get a big green candle in our promote, let's say this candle now is to there green, but the volume is there. That's going to be our trigger spread candle then, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
To take
Yes.
to take the short positions.
Yes.
Yes. Correct. See here we are getting red volumes on the 5 minutes. So wait for the green one. You see this, you can see here ultra high volume candle on just this.
Yeah, but that's what if you go back to that, that's what HM said. So I just wanted to clarify that because he wants big red volume to come down, but like Johan said,
Green volume.
You want green. Okay, sorry, my bad.
Yeah. I want huge green volume. Then I would be comfortable of taking a reversal.
Okay.
Extended W pattern this. So here, Caesar, if there is any support or resistance at this place, go to the 5 minutes and see you got the volume here. Okay, you got the volume. So now on double doji Morningstar, not even the retracement, just slide. Wow. Just wait, sir. Can reverse here. We'll find setup. That is the best place. This here. Now, where is the weekly, sir? Let me check. Oh, okay. Exactly near. Exactly near. Weekly
Come
is
test
here.
the weekly. We need to test the weekly now.
Yes, now weekly, sir. Just wait. See, I'll tell you if the market comes today, sir. Okay. If the market comes and if it becomes a sideways, tomorrow from daily CPR, you are going to take the trade. I mean, now UK session, okay, on 28th UK session currently. So on 28th April during UA session, we will find the setup. If there is no setup, the market becomes sideways. 29th April ASIAN session, you are going to take the trades. Now we are this when if the candle comes here, then this will be invalid. Don't worry, you just delete this. So our first target is this liquidity, which is almost 9 to 10%. So after going here, maybe it come for retracement, then new high. So you are going to see what we are going to see here if this happens. Higher highs
Parallel channel.
and parallel channel.
Internal structure shift.
Yes. That. Okay, sir. We'll meet today
Perfect.
during US session. We was on live till now on YouTube. It was very nice, sir. No need to record, no need to send. I'll just post this video on the group. Okay, sir. Okay, we'll meet during
Amazing.
your session. Yeah, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you very
thank you
much.
everyone, and special
Yeah,
thanks,
thank you.
Pramod, Johan, Brett. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much, sir.
Cheers, Pramod.
Thank you,
Yes, sir.
guys.
Thank you, Paul, sir.
Fantastic
See
session.
you later.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Take care, sir. Bye.